Hi guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing my new desktop computer. It's a Yoga AIO 9, and as you can see, it's ginormous.
So let's open it.
Yeah, so, you know, we're going to start opening.
Look at me! I'm so smart.
Put the scissors.
So there's a lot of packaging and protection on this. I think that's why the box is just so big.
Yeah, like, come look at this. Come from this.
So where's this? I think this is the charger.
There's this thing. I'm not sure what it is.
Wait a hold on.
This thing.
Yeah, this is the charger for the computer itself.
Oh, there's something.
So
This thing.
we're gonna put this on my chair. So
I'm not sure what this metal bar is.
So this thing, it comes with a keyboard and mouse. I think this is the keyboard. So we'll open this after we set it up. So we gotta take off the packaging first.
What's that iron bar?
It's for this connector right there. Hold on.
Oh, okay.
There. That's one piece. Wait, hold on, Luke. I think we gotta do one
Okay,
piece at
the
a time.
actual computer is in here. It's actually pretty big.
Take the box off. Look at this.
I think I need to like, yeah, like that. I'll hold it. What is it? I mean, why is it so big? Okay.
Wait.
Look here, guys. Oh,
This
nice.
one.
Giant, it's like a TV.
I know. That should be a mini TV, kind of. Okay, now.
I'll lift it.
Yeah, lift
You
it
pull
and
it
I'll pull.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's giant enormous.
Jeez!
Alright, and we still have
Turn it
the
around, turn it
we still-
around.
We have the keyboard and the mouse left that comes with this. So this now.
Open it from there. Yeah. Okay, so here's the mouse.
Yeah, so it's just a generic keyboard, you know. And
Yeah, normal mouse.
I think this is wireless. No, it's not wireless.
It's not wireless.
Oh,
It's wireless.
This?
Oh, it's
Yeah,
wired.
should be wireless.
Oh, I think this is a charger.
Ah, it's with
Yeah, it
charger.
has this like on and off button.
Yeah, it's a charger.
But hold up.
So the question, how often you need to charge it?
Yeah.
Hold on, check out the keyboard. It doesn't make the sound.
Well, the clicking sound.
Yep. This has a okay sound, you know, like.
Here's the keyboard. Yeah, it's a nice keyboard.
But it doesn't make the sound.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah. Here's the charger. It's, you know, a normal charger. It has this plastic wrapping around it, and, you know, yeah.
So, is there anything else?
So, here it is. Oh, this is interesting. It comes with this, like, Velcro thing, right? To, you know, keep the thing organized, the cable.
What's this shiny?
So, here it is. Yeah, normal charger. Alright, so in the back, here's where the chargers all go into. You can put like, I don't know, random stuff. And I think you put the charge cable thingy inside of here.
Yeah.
And then you go. Not in here.
Okay.
Well, it might be one of these. Maybe it's this one. This one. No. Maybe that one.
No, I think it's
Up there.
Okay.
So the charger goes inside of here. And then
This is a satisfying feel.
yeah, peel it off. There's a little bit more wrapping like around this metal board. What the heck?
It's a one of peel.
Alright, well he's peeling that. Like, here's the continuation of the charger. The head has a little plastic thing around it, and yeah, just take this off. I'm not sure what this is.
Oh, is that the
Oh, I
one?
think this is meant to charge the mouse. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, the mouse also without the battery?
Yeah, look. It needs to
Okay.
charge right here.
I see.
Alright, so here's the head of the charger. We just put it in this block right here.
It's charged. It comes pre-charged.
Oh, nice.
And then you just plug it into the
Never
wall.
mind.
So let's plug it in.
Okay.
Satisfying.
Alright guys, so we figured out how to turn it on.
Yeah.
It was the button in the back next to the charger. We just didn't put the charger in. Good enough.
Okay.
So
To
now
set up your device using a screen reader, turn on narrator by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter.
Alright guys, so we read the manual and we found out that to actually get the mouse to work, you have to open it from the back over here. There's a little area like this. And there's a little microchip in here that you attach to your desktop. So it's from the back over here. You just attach it in. Just like that. And then you just put the top back on. But for the modes, you have to select the first one. Otherwise, you're gonna have to use Bluetooth to connect the mouse. So we put the mode on the. We gotta turn it on first. So here's all the different modes. Right, there's the second one, third, but we're gonna use the first because that's how the chip is gonna work. So now like that, the mouse works, as you can see. And for the keyboard itself, there's this like little switch over here in the corner. This turns it off, and this turns it back on. And yeah, we're just setting it up right now. So we already put up the internet, so now we're just gonna press next and keep going. Alright guys, so to go deeper into the details of this desktop has like 1 terabyte of storage. It's Core i9 13th generation, and I think it's about 31 inches long. So you know, it's pretty big.
Yeah.
Has a decent amount of storage. It's pretty good. And my brother, he's taking my old computer, which is touchscreen, and I think it's Core i5. I don't know. I'm not sure. And yeah. I don't know. What to
You
say.
want to show your computer look?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it still has my data on it because, you know, we still gonna transfer everything, so, you know. Alright, guys, so, you know, I guess I would recommend this because, you know, it's pretty nice. It's big. Has a good amount of storage. I feel like it would be good for, like, you know, work, I don't know, gaming, I don't know, stuff like that. And, yeah. Just subscribe, I don't know. Share this with someone if they're looking for a desktop or something. Bye.